So I'm going to show you how I'm tying the dress for my friend's wedding tomorrow. So I'm going to be going for a one-shouldered look. I actually saw this from another girl on TikTok, but I can't remember her name, but she showed me how to do this. So you take the two front bits, you twist them because it creates like a nice pleating line, and then pull them up so you can kind of adjust it so that the twists aren't the whole thing if you want more coverage. Pull it through and knot it at the top. Now once you've done this, you want to tuck those long bits behind your shoulder. Continue to readjust it to how you want. This is how I've done mine. Take the one that is closest to your arm and pull it under your arm, under your bust, all the way back round again, and then just tuck it around the front, and we're going to come back to it later. Then take the other strap. I should have untwisted this, and I mean, if I had someone with me, I'd have it lay a bit more flat. Bring that round again to the front of your bust, and this is where we're going to untuck that one from earlier. You might want to readjust it here, pull it tight again, but then we're going to just simply knot it. For me, one is longer because the other one has a little bit further to go around the back, but for other people, they'll be equally the same length, but they blend in, and then this is the final look.